Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use CurlsCurls clip-ins to achieve two different styles. This is obviously one of them. I did bedazzle up the styles with a few little accessories just to give you guys ideas of how you can, like, you know, spice up your hairstyle. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how I wash the hair before I wear it. So yeah, just stay tuned. If you guys are interested, just keep watching. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now.
Got me skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
So I'm starting with freshly washed and towel dried hair, and this first look I'm doing is a half up, half down look with two buns at the top. So you're just gonna see me parting my hair right now. Now I'm just applying gel, and I'm going to create two little ponytails. So this is the hair from CurlsCurls, and this is how much hair comes in one pack of clip-ins. It's the Afro Kinky texture in 20 inches. So to wash the hair before I wear it, I found that it's easier for me to wash it in a sink, as you see, and I'm only doing it all together like this before I wear it, but anytime after this when I wash it, I'm gonna wash them one at a time. So each pack of clip-ins comes with 4 2-clip wefts, 2 3-clip wefts, 2 4-clip wefts, and 2 5-clip wefts. So for this style, I just used the 2 longer 2-clip wefts and just clip them around the little ponytails. Then for the back, I just went from shortest to longest wefts, and I did 2 clips, 3 clips, 4 clips, 5 clips. You can do it however best fits your head. This is just how I did mine. Now I'm just putting leave-in conditioner in the hair and wrapping the 2 ponytails into buns and securing them with bobby pins. I added these cute little bows and clips I got from Target just to add a little razzle dazzle, you know. And yeah, this is the final result. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any questions about it, just comment below. Now for the second style, once again my hair is washed and towel dried, and for this look I'm just gonna slick my hair up into a tiny little ponytail and wrap 2-3 clip wefts around it, and then wrap it all into a bun the same way I did for the last style. All the clip-ins that come in this one pack are enough for a full head, and to be honest, you might not even use them all because I usually don't when I do a full head. And as you see in styles like the ones I'm about to show you, you only need to use a few. So one pack is definitely more than enough. And also, since CurlsCurls is a factory store, they're able to provide this high quality hair at really affordable prices. So I'll have the link in the description box for you to check out their website. So I'm adding this cute little love bobby pin that I got from Aldo, and also decorating my bun with this gold chain that I got from Joann Fabrics, and this red hair decorating string that came in this hair accessories pack from the beauty supply store. This is the final look, and once again, if you guys have any questions, just ask. Okay guys, so those were the two styles. I will have the information on the hair in the description box below. If you guys have any questions, just comment. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you don't already, so that you guys can see pictures. I also post 1-minute tutorials on there. And yeah, so if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.